kind of a sum up of the sniper install. So far, everything is working well. No problems have arisen that I haven't understood. Got the 3.5-inch screen taped to the dash there. All I have to do now is keep from looking at it all the time, because that's what I do. I've decided not to go with the progressive linkage. Instead, I purchased a extension to the throttle linkage that is on the side of the throttle body. It's an extension. It basically moves the throttle cable from here to here and gives it more leverage, or it increases the length of the throw. I had to make this little piece down here to get my throttle strings to attach. That worked out well. All I did was take this connection and turn it around, and that gave me the extra length where the springs are on there nice. And it has made a noticeable difference. The Sniper opens all 4 throttle blades at the same time, which made it a little bit like a light switch instead of a throttle. And this has calmed it down quite a bit and released some of the pressure of all the blades opening and the springs and everything to where it's more comfortable. So I'm real pleased with that. And in the morning I'm going to go on a little short cruise down to St. Augustine. That'll be its first real road test. I've driven it around the neighborhood quite a bit, and so far no problems. The only one instance that I had is on one of the first trips out. As you can see here, I got the cable kind of running out here where it can be seen. Instead, I took and fed it back behind the dash through all of the wires and came up through the side so that you couldn't see this. But it had an instance where it did it twice, where I was sitting to turn into the parts house and the throttle just suddenly on its own just revved up to like 2,500 RPM. Stayed there for a while, but while I waited for traffic, and then calmed down and I was able to pull into the parking lot. Went in, did my business, and then when I came out and drove it home, it did it once again. So the only thing I had changed was the routing of that wire, so I moved it back to the front, and it has not done it since. So I'm going to assume that it was radio interference, radio frequency interference that it was picking up through that wire, and unless it raises its ugly head again, I'll just leave the wire where it's at and assume that that was the problem. So that's it. So far I'm happy. I haven't had to make any posts on the Holly Sniper Facebook page about issues and want answers. And we'll see if it stays that way. So once again, thanks for watching.